Our brands are built here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We've been manufacturing cabinets here for over 40 years.
It's really been a company that has developed and gone from a stock to a full custom line, pretty much do anything you want to build.
So we try to put a little bit of our heart in everything we do.
You can't take the time and the pride in everything that gets done unless you build it by hand.
If I don't want it in my house, I'm not going to put it in somebody else.
Having been in the plant for 11 years, the level of commitment, the level of craftsmanship that goes into every product they produce, I'm astounded by it.
Our cabinets take a lot of skilled employees. Some of these skills can take 2 to 3 years to master, and the expectations are high. Not only at a customer level, we have the same high expectations internally as well.
We have folks in Sioux Falls that have worked on these brands for 30 or more years. There's so much knowledge in cabinetry here in Sioux Falls. It's incredible to understand the legacy coming out of this community.
Every cabinet going through our facility is touched by one of our many craftsmen and craftswomen. They're making sure that the grain is being sanded in the right direction, that all the imperfections are getting caught, and even that they're making all the little things like the specific distressing you want to see in your project come to life.
We get feedback from the field and they know they're making the customer happy with what they've done, and they can see it, helps them understand and puts some pride into it when they see the finished product and they know that the customer's happy with what we've done for them.
And when you see them when they're all done, you get a love for woodworking is what you do.
It's just a sense of pride. It's knowing that you helped create somebody's dream, what they always dreamed of, and that makes me feel good.
We feel proud that when it leaves out in top-notch quality, and we know that when the customer gets it, they're going to be very happy.
Me gusta mucho el trabajo porque es muy bonito, es impresionante para los clientes. Me gusta trabajar con las manos, me gusta usar la pistola, me gusta lijar, me gusta todo lo que es pila me gusta mucho.
Because just like they want to make it beautiful production, and then I like the job too. So yeah, and then just like for customer, make it happy. Yeah, so.
Premium company, people are expecting a lot out of this, and we take pride in delivering that for them. We want them to be proud of what they bought. We want them to be happy with the quality that they received.
My pride in this brand is just the quality of it and the people you work with. I would not have been here for 32 years without having quality and pride in this brand.